Hey Desiree, we're on our way again. Where are we visiting this time?
Germany.
Germany. How many hours has it been now? I don't know. But we're here. This is not America. That is Germany. Good morning again from Munich, Germany. Desiree and I are headed out for an historical tour. A historical tour of Nazi Munich. This building behind me, I'm not sure what it is. I'm sure we'll find out. We're gonna catch up with Desiree. She's up ahead. Well, we've definitely entered the historical area of Old Munich here as we walk. Wow, this is an amazing tour. Our guide is a little shy, so I'm not going to be putting him on video, but I will be following up with some information and videos. We started here in the square, and we've shown you some pictures of Hitler at an early rally here. And now we're moving around the corner, following Desiree and our guide, and we're going to look at the place where Hitler staged his coup in 1923. Flip the camera around and take a look. Ludwig the First built that building something. And this is the residence. It's been added to many times over the years by different monarchs here in Munich. Look at that, it's painted. Wow, since the 17th century. After the coup, Hitler escaped through the residence, but was captured and put in jail. So as you passed the memorial to the soldiers, you had to do the salute, unless you took this little street over here, which became known as Shirker's Lane. move on now from the Hall of Warlords. So now we're going to take a look at the first building that the Nazis built here in Munich.